Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm doing a review on this Likaci diesel heater. So far, I think it's a great little product and I'm very pleased with the purchase. I chose this heater for a number of reasons. First of all, it's metal, it's not plastic. Second of all, the profile. It's quite low and wide, so the likelihood of tipping over is far less. Next, it is both 12 and 24 volt compatible. And in addition to that, it also has two operating modes, manual and automatic. So the manual mode is manual. You set your fan speed manually. Automatic mode, you can set the temperature and it will maintain that temperature automatically. It comes with everything you need, including a muffler and a groovy little remote control. The wiring, I've taped the wires together. I haven't completely set it up. I haven't decided where I'm going to put it yet and all of that good stuff. But in the meantime, I decided to do a review on this product because I'm very, very pleased with this purchase. So I will fire it up for you in a moment and you can see how well it works. The power is hooked up, as you can see, and I'll just show you the modes of operation here. I'll start it up. And here's the manual mode. So of course you can just adjust your fan speed, and then you can go to automatic mode and you can see the temperature there, and the temperature is adjustable. I'm just going to use the manual mode and I'll put the fan on maximum. This unit is working better than I had expected. I haven't done a fuel consumption test yet, but the amount I've run it, it seems to be fairly fuel efficient, and it's not draining my battery super quickly. So once again, I'm very pleased with this purchase. For the purpose of this demonstration, as you can see, I'm just leaving the door open and exhausting it out the door. So the pump has just started. I've heard a lot of complaints about other brands and the excessive pump noise. This particular heater, as you can probably hear, the pump isn't incredibly loud at all. It's quite quiet actually. And once the unit starts operating, the pump noise is minimal. The fan noise is also very quiet, and the most noise this unit produces is from the exhaust. It's coming up to temperature, and it's starting to blow some warm air. Here in Canada, it's not uncommon for it to get minus 40 degrees Celsius, which is minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. and in the event of a power outage, this unit absolutely could save your life. This unit I intend to leave in my garage. I will mount it and plumb the exhaust through the wall, so I expect that exhaust noise to substantially decrease. And in fact, I'm so pleased with this unit, I'll likely purchase another one for winter camping and in the event of an emergency. This unit's very cost effective. It was under $200 Canadian. I think you can get them for about 120 bucks US. So very cost effective. The construction seems solid. I've run this unit quite a bit, just set up like it is, and I've had no issues whatsoever. It's very simple to use, and so far I'm very pleased with it. As for the other models, I've heard good and bad about both. I've heard about people modifying them. This unit, I won't modify at all. It works very well just the way it is. So I'm not going to tinker with it, and I would advise people not to tinker with this unit if you purchase it yourself. Right now, I'm probably about 4 feet away from the end of the hose nozzle, and with the door open at minus 11 degrees Celsius, I can still feel the heat. So this is a very efficient little unit. So far, so good. I would recommend this unit to other people, absolutely. For the price, I think it's a super fantastic little option for a diesel heater. I do not expect this small heater to heat my entire garage, but I do expect it to bring the temperature to a tolerable level during the winter, because it's working really well so far. So if you're looking for a cost-efficient diesel heater, I would absolutely, without any hesitation, recommend the Likaci diesel heater. Thanks for watching. I will probably mount this heater in the garage permanently. I do have a spare battery, which I intend to hardwire it to the battery instead of using jumper cables. I'm just using the cables today to give you a quick review and demonstration on how it works. It's very simple to use. It's not heavy. It seems to be pretty fuel efficient so far, and absolutely, once again, I would recommend it. Thanks for watching.